Vlogmas day 6. I'm so out of it. I was watching back my vlog that I posted this morning from yesterday, and I wrote, it was like 12 in the morning when I was editing, so it was already December 6th. And so when I was editing, I had December 5th in the intro, and then I'm like, wait, but it's December 6th. So I changed the date, and I'm like watching the video, I'm like, wait, I'm like confusing myself. So if you caught that little mistake, it was not December 6th. Today's December 6th. So happy Vlogmas day 6. Grayson is napping, Zach is home. I'm gonna run some errands. I wanna go to Sephora because I really wanna get a restock of the road glazing mist. I haven't had that. It's been like out for a couple weeks, and that's one of my favorite products, as well as the glazing milk. And then I need a new eyebrow pencil and a couple other things I want to look at. So I think I'm gonna go to Kohl's because I have a couple Amazon returns to do, and there's a Sephora in the Kohl's, so I'm gonna do that. It's freezing out. It was snowing earlier. It hasn't snowed enough for it to stick on the ground really. It actually did the other day, but it all melted already. But it's nice to see snow flurries in Grayson. It's so cute. He tries to say snow, but he can't say S, so he just says no. It's so cute. But I'm freezing. I've been wearing this jacket every single day. It's my Aritzia duvet puffer, I believe it's called. I don't know if they definitely do make this exact style, but it might be a little bit different because they're weird like that. They always change the names of things, and I feel like the style of things is constantly changing, even though it's like the same thing technically. But I'm pretty sure this is called the duvet puffer. It's the warmest jacket I own, as well as my other Aritzia jackets. Like I could wear nothing under this and I'd be so warm because it's just the warmest jacket I own, and it goes all the way down right below my knee, and I love it. It has a hood and you can button it like this. Highly recommend the Aritzia puffers. If you've been wanting one, ask for one for Christmas because they make a really nice gift if you live somewhere freezing. So weird too, I just checked the mailbox here, and I know that I changed my address with USPS a while back, like right when we moved. That way there was no overlap with the mail, and I literally just got all my mail, and we have been here for a month, so I don't know where this all was. It's like a huge stack of mail. No idea where all this was. Probably just sitting at the post office, I don't know. Because I was getting worried. I'm like, I know I changed my address, and there's like important things that I'm waiting for in the mail. So luckily they all just came, so I feel good about that. Actually the next day. It's December, today's the 7th. Yeah. Oh my gosh, my body is literally signaling to me that I need to slow down, I need to take a break, I need to get some sleep, because I literally fell asleep putting Grace in bed last night. I just felt so tired. Like I don't think I felt this tired in a really long time. I don't even think I felt this tired when he was a newborn. My body and just like my brain are so tired. I've been up like past 1 o'clock every single morning. I've already been beating myself up for it because now I feel like I ruined my Vlogmas, but I'm still gonna upload today. I'm just carrying the vlog into the morning, and I'm still gonna vlog today and upload this vlog tomorrow because tomorrow's the finale of the 7 days. But I feel like I ruined it because it wasn't a full day of vlogging yesterday. We ended up going to this market in Boston, which it's kind of like Snowport in Seaport if you've ever been there. It's just like a bunch of vendors, chocolate and all the stuff, all the fun winter things. But this one was inside, which was actually kind of nice because it's been so cold, especially bringing Grayson around. It was very fun, it was very pretty. Everything was decorated so nicely. And then up top, there was like this huge open space. I have no idea what this building is used for when it's not this holiday market. It was at the SOA building, if I'm saying that correctly. If you go upstairs, there was actually music going, like live music going. There was a little bar, it was called Sleigh Bar, if you're into cocktails and stuff and want to get drinks with your friends if you're from the area. That was very fun. I didn't get anything. I'm kind of mad at myself. I wish I got like an ornament or just something to remember. But I couldn't find anything that I really liked, and also it was so crowded. Like, it was so hard to move in there. At first we brought in the stroller, which huge mistake. She could like barely move. Everybody was bumping into each other and it was just very claustrophobic. So we brought the stroller back to the truck because we're like, we can't even move in here. There was huge lines for some things. Like, I wanted a hot chocolate so bad. It was like a really cute hot chocolate with a marshmallow on top that was like roasted, and it just looked so good. The line was so long. I'm like, I'm not waiting in that. If we didn't have Grayson with us, I probably would have, but it's hard to wait in lines when you have a toddler. But I do feel a lot more refreshed this morning that I got some more sleep. So we're just ice rolling the face, and this just always wakes me right up. I tried to link this on my gift guides, which I don't think I mentioned in this Vlogmas series, and also I haven't been linking them in the description of my videos, but I need to. I do have 2025 gift guides. They're in my Instagram highlights. They're also on my LTK. But I tried to link this because I talk about this all the time. I always link it in my gift guides, but it was sold out. Hopefully it's not sold out anymore. But I know when I tried to link it, and then for Black Friday I tried to link it too, and it was still sold out. I use it literally every single day. It's my favorite ice roller. I used to have one on Amazon that I liked, but this one, just the shape of it really just gets right under your eyes. It just gets in all the little spots. So this one is my favorite. But I never showed you what I bought at Sephora yesterday. I actually ended up going to the mall. Hi, Cheeto. Because, why did I end up going to the mall? Oh yeah, because my Amazon, the stuff I wanted to return was past the return window. So I'm like, you know what? I'll just go to the mall, because then I was thinking sometimes the Sephora, the one that's in Kohl's, doesn't have a lot of the stuff that I want. Like, they're a smaller Sephora. So I'm like, you know what? We'll just go to the mall. It was so busy. Oh my gosh, I get so claustrophobic very easily, and like almost a bit of social anxiety in crowded places. I used to be a lot worse. A few years ago my social anxiety was so bad. But anyways, little Sephora haul. First up, I have these jet lag eye patches from Summer Fridays. I've been wanting to try these for forever. I'm so happy that I got them. I actually forgot I wanted them, and then they were literally right by me in the line, and I'm like, oh yeah, that was one of the things that I wanted. So we'll have to try these out. I love the packaging, by the way. Summer Fridays always has really cute packaging. Grayson, spit it out. I ended up getting another shade of the Rhode Pocket Blush, because I've been wanting this shade. It's the shade Piggy. I was surprised that they had a lot of Rhode stuff in stock. Pretty much everything was in stock except for the eye patches. I did notice that those were all gone, but I've been really wanting to try this shade. It kind of reminds me of Sleepy Girl, but it's a little bit more pinky. And then the Glazing Mist, which is what I went in there for. This stuff is so good. I cannot rave about this enough. I swear it's like the only facial spray that actually makes my skin feel calm and hydrated. Like, I could put this on. What? I could put this on by itself and not have to do moisturizer or anything, and my skin would be fine. Like, it's that good. It's that moisturizing and hydrating. If you're thinking about getting this, I really, really love it. I got more of my concealer, the Tower 28 Serum Concealer. This was the one that I was talking about when I was showing my winter makeup routine. I got an eyebrow pencil because I was out of that as well. I just got the Sephora collection retractable brow pencil. So that is my little Sephora haul. And then on the way to Sephora, I stopped into, I think it's called Christmas Treasures, and they sell the Old World Christmas ornaments, which is a lot of the ornaments that we have on the tree. They look like this. They always put them in these boxes. They're so cute. They're very pretty, like vintage style Christmas ornaments. I really want to collect them every single year, like get a few every year. So I got some that remind me of Grayson. This one is a little train because he's obsessed with trains right now, obsessed with trucks. We have a train right behind our apartment building, and whenever he hears it go by, he's like, choo choo, and it's so cute. So this reminds me of him. Choo choo. It reminds me of the Polar Express also, which is one of my favorite Christmas movies. This one's kind of random, but I got a jar of peanut butter, mostly because I love peanut butter. Grayson loves peanut butter too, but I thought this was funny. Last one I picked out was this dump truck, which of course, he's obsessed with trucks, and I thought this was perfect. I wish they had more and get like a collection, but they're just so pretty. They're made so well. They're very, very fragile though, so you have to be careful, but I just love the glitter and everything. Like, they're just very pretty. I'm gonna stick these on the tree right now. Obviously hung them pretty high up. The train is in the back a little bit. It's just nice to have ornaments that actually mean something to you and your family rather than just like plain random ornaments like the round ball ones. I don't know, I really like the theme of just having ornaments that mean something to you and your family and collecting stuff. So Target also has ones like this one is from Target, which kind of has like the same vibe. I'm gonna make my morning coffee right now, and I figured I would walk you through it since I've been showing you my coffee every morning, but I don't really say what I'm doing or what I'm using. So for starters, this coffee machine is the KitchenAid fully automatic espresso machine KF7. I actually got this because I did a partnership with KitchenAid, which still I'm in awe to this day because I love KitchenAid so much. And I remember when I was like 12 years old, I wanted a KitchenAid mixer for either Christmas or my birthday. I was obsessed with baking. I would watch the Food Network. Whenever I got home from school, I just loved baking and cooking. So this was really a dream come true partnership. We love it so much. It's fully automatic. Like I said, you can have all of your drinks right at the touch of your fingertips, and it's just amazing. So what I do is I do espresso. Oh, I gotta fill the coffee beans. I keep them all in this glass jar. They're the Tim Hortons beans. I'm gonna do 2 shots of espresso in my little Ralph's espresso cup that I got in New York. I didn't realize how small this was. Usually espresso cups are a little bit bigger than this, but this one is like extra small. 9 times out of 10 I'm making an iced latte. Very seldomly I will have a hot latte. Like the other day I did because it was so cold and I was just like craving something warm, but I'm always usually making an iced latte. And I'm gonna do a peppermint mocha this morning because I ran out of the cookie butter creamer from Chobani. It was a limited edition. I don't know if they still have it at Target. That's where I would get it. I'll have to look, but that was like my favorite iced latte to make. But we're gonna be festive and do peppermint mocha. I have my espresso shot, and I always put in some sea salt because it takes away the bitterness of the espresso, and I use the Malden sea salt flakes. So if you're gonna use sea salt, I really recommend this brand because it really does make a difference. Like I used regular kosher salt and it just does not hit the same. It doesn't work the same. I always do some flakes of this, so like that much, and then sometimes I'll do maple syrup to sweeten it a bit more, but since we're doing peppermint mocha, I feel like that's a weird combo. I always use whole milk. It tastes so much better. I swear whole milk is the best for iced lattes. It's crazy because I've like rarely had this Christmas season. Last year I was obsessed with this, but like I said, I've been on the cookie butter grind, but I need to finish this before it goes bad. So good. I always notice a difference when I don't do the salt, even though I'm using a flavored creamer. The espresso is too much for me sometimes, and I don't know what the science is behind the salt in the espresso, but it really does help. So if you find that your coffee is super bitter, maybe try adding the salt and see how it is. So that's my at-home coffee. I genuinely prefer it over getting iced lattes out. Like I know I go to Starbucks a lot, but I really do like my at-home coffee better. Before I go though, I was just gonna end off this vlog so I can edit it and upload it for today. I forgot though, I didn't do yesterday's advent calendar. So yesterday was what, day 6? I don't know why I'm so confused. Like every year when I do Vlogmas, I get so confused. Clinical Classic for Daily Defense. Oh, I knew it. It's the Triple Defense Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Always could use some sunscreen. I like how this one is nice and mini. Like for traveling, this is perfect. There's day 6, and then day 7 will be in tomorrow's Vlogmas, technically today, because I'm still filming that today, so I can get that up for tomorrow. So there's the advent calendar. Oh my gosh, I'm like still beating myself up that I fell asleep and didn't get much footage yesterday, but it's fine, life happens. Not everything is gonna be perfect. So I will see you tomorrow for the Vlogmas finale. I'm so sad. I cannot believe how quick that went by. I would love to continue it and do it longer, but I don't think that would be good for me just because I'm so exhausted. It's a lot different being a mom than it was without a baby. Cheers. I will see you tomorrow.